Welcome back to the Yacht Addiction YouTube channel. The gorgeous super yacht in front of us is an Ocean Alexander 37 Legend, or 37L for short. This yacht is 120 feet, or about 36.7 meters long. It sleeps 10, and we're gonna do a full tour of this yacht inside and out today. So one cool feature you'll see right outside is this area actually folds down, giving you more space, and you can put a couple chairs out here. Here are some of the specs of the 37 Legend. And this is going to be a first look yacht tour. I have not stepped foot on this yacht yet. But you can see they have a beach club area back here. So this entire swim platform will fold down from the transom wall. You can see your little settee in here. You have a sink, and then I would imagine you have a fridge and ice maker. It's a really lovely place to sit and hang out right by the water. And there's also a glass panel overhead. So if we step up onto the aft deck, so you have a U-shaped seating area here with 2 tables. There's a little bar area right here. And through these doors is the gorgeous main salon. We had to go a little bit quickly through the aft deck. There's some other media going on the yacht right now. Here's your formal dining area. And over here you have these sliding glass doors, so these will open up, and this will open up the space right to that area that folds down that I showed you earlier. It's another little bar area right here with some drawer refrigerators and a wine fridge, and another side access door right here. This is probably the day head. Then in here is the galley. You have this huge wine fridge, sub-zero freezers and refrigerators, Wolf appliances, and then your trash compactor and dishwasher. There's another side access door so the crew can get around the yacht without disturbing the guests on the inside. Here's a pantry. And normally I like to do the master last, but on these super yachts when it's on the main deck, I think it makes sense to just do this first. This is ridiculous. You have closets on either side of these mirrors. And then if you step through these sliding panel doors, you have sinks on either side. The shower.
So the beam on this boat, let me hold this up. Yeah. TV right here comes down. Holds down here.
Looks like I am going to tease you with the master. There's currently a client in there. So let's check out the guest cabins actually. You have a king bed in here. Another huge ensuite. Obviously, your guests are extremely well taken care of on this yacht. Looks like a mirrored room, so another king bed. the ensuite, and a TV up on the wall, and a little seating area.
This is the galley.
Then you have 2 more guest cabins, and I believe these can be slid together if you want a larger bed. And the last guest cabin. And here's a good example of what I was just referring to. You can slide these together so you have a queen bed. Really quick, I believe there is a secret door right here. You can see a little gap right here, and this is so the crew can take care of these areas without walking through the rest of the boat.
I'm in my realm.
The other main difference
And we have a couple of
on
rounds.
this
This is
37
pretty
Yeah.
prior 36.
I think it's the best one to show.
So sorry. So sorry. You're walking zombie. Goodness, okay.
Still dealing with some traffic, so we'll head up to the Sky Lounge. You have a little table here, and another gorgeous seating area with, I think, a 65 or 70-inch TV, and then a bar area. Through this hidden door is a little head. Then here is the helm station. And look how ridiculously large these screens are. And then you have obviously the rest of the controls for the yacht, as well as 3 Stid helm chairs. There are side access doors on both sides. And there's a little desk for the captain right here. And I also like the lighting that they added in the ceiling. They really kept that elevated look no matter what room you're in. While we're here, you have this little sun pad area and seating areas. And then there's a separate bow area down there, which we'll see later on in the tour. So if we head out these powered doors, this will lead us to the bridge deck. Looks like you have a bar over here. You have a seating area over here, but this looks like it's all freestanding furniture. Here's a grill, some refrigerators. And then this area is completely customizable. Right now it's completely empty, but you can see you have your crane. So this is where you'd store a tender and some jet skis or other water toys. Or if you're towing your tender, you could put some more freestanding furniture out here. Now there's one more deck above us, and we're going to refer to this as the sun deck. So right away, you'll see this jacuzzi with some sun pads on either side. You have a fantastic view from up here. This is the 35R, which I did tour just before this one, and I most likely already uploaded that on the channel. So make sure you check that out if you haven't already seen it. There's a TV that pops up over here. Another refrigerator, or set of refrigerators, I should say. And then seating that wraps around this table. You have some beautiful spaces on this yacht. We're going to continue to weave around the traffic, but I still owe you guys some shots of the master cabin. So we saw the ensuite, and if you take some steps forward, here is the actual master cabin. Obviously this is a king bed, which is nice, but what really sets this room apart for me, look at these floor to ceiling windows, and they just wrap all around this master cabin. You have some built-in storage all around here, and a little dressing table, as well as a little lounger right here. If you're enjoying this super yacht tour, don't forget to leave a like. It helps out the channel more than you could ever know. And also subscribe if you haven't done so already. I post a new yacht tour every single week. So I think the best way to stay out of everyone's way and also still see the crew cabin will be to head out this door. Just kidding. There's some photography going on right now. So we'll head back this way. Here's that aft deck bar.
Besides the design though, I mean the 35, the R series with the vertical bow, I mean it's totally different. I mean obviously there's like fabrics and design elements you can easily do, but as far as the layout stuff, some of that is going to be restricted to this car. She's
Let's head forward towards the bow. The door to the actual crew cabins and engines is on the port side, all the way aft. And there are currently a couple clients standing there, so. And look at this great little seating area. There's like a step down, and you have the awning overhead. I feel like I've been impressed with every single space on this yacht. If you've stuck with me this long, I appreciate it. Now through this door is the crew cabin. Or cabins, I should say. You have your crew mess, laundry facilities, here is a bunk room. Another one right here.
captain and 4 crew.
And then this is the captain's cabin, but it is in use currently, so we're not going to go in there today. Now the two bunk rooms will share this head. And then let's check out the engine room. You have your generator back there, your twin engines, the second generator, now these are twin MTU 16V engines. They're 2,600 horsepower each. The top speed I'd estimate is the low 20s, cruising in the teens. And similar to the 35R, I don't have the actual range available for this one. I would estimate that it's at least 1,000, maybe 2 depending on your speed. But I'll try to get some more information on it and put it in the description if I can. Or if one of you fine people have that information, please put it in the comments so everyone can see. Like I said, this was a first look walkthrough, so I don't have all of the specs on me ahead of time. But thank you so much to Ocean Alexander for letting me do the tour. This was an incredible super yacht. Let me know which area was your favorite in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you never miss a future upload. Until next time.